For today. Once market opens, I will come back. Alright, market is about to open. Let's see what we have. No hesitation, no hezzy, falling fast in love, never being the same. Our time frame is key. This was a forced trade. Yeah. Yuppers, this is a loss. This is for sure a loss. I forced this trade.
Stop filled.
Whoa, 8. That was a bad trade.
Stop filled.
I lost more than I wanted to. What the fuck? Okay, this was a bad trade, bro. This just had no conviction behind it. I literally wanted to wait for I should have just waited. It was a forced trade. It is what it is. Maybe buys come in later, but yeah, we just got cooked here, so all good. And it's 267 on the day. Come back tomorrow. Execute the same way. Peace. Alright, bet. So July 15th, this is going to be the market breakdown for July 15th. Hopefully I don't fuck it up this time like I've been fucking it up on the last couple videos. So let's just get straight to the charts. Alright, so here we go, right? I already put the rewind button. So going into the morning, I understood that we had CPI and it came out neutral, I believe, for YM. So I really wasn't looking, I was bullish on the day, honestly, just because we had London highs and Asia session highs. But what I failed to realize is that we had such a strong push down after sweeping out news high that I really wasn't paying attention to anything else. I was just trying to catch buys, which fucked me up mentally. Although I did walk away from the trade and the outcome was a losing trade, I'm proud of that. Cool, but I'm still like, I don't know. I have this like level of like uncertainty sometimes when I take certain trades, and I need to get that out of my system. And again, this is a trade that I really did. I shouldn't have taken it. It was a stupid trade. Like I said during the video, it was a forced trade. I forced this trade, which was dumb. But yeah. So coming into market open at 9:30, we came up. We swept out news high, and we closed right back within here. Now, honestly, I was thinking about taking sales. Right? I wanted a retracement up. We never got the retracement up, but I was so stuck on taking buys that I just wasn't there. So I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Today, July 15th. I mean, today's July 16th when I'm making this market breakdown. But July 15th, man, I woke up. I wasn't there mentally. I was so out of it. Like yesterday, I was out of it too. I've just been out of it for the last 2 days. But it's fine. So we're gonna fast forward here, right? So what do we see? 9:49. I'm waiting. During this time, I'm waiting. Cool. So we have this displacement up. So I'm like, okay, cool, right? Gotta let another 2-minute candle pass by. We have this wick up. Now, me being me, I entered a bit earlier, right? Or no, I entered off of once we tapped into this fair value gap. So you'll see We come down here, boom, tap it on the 1 minute, on the 2 minute, we're tapping it. So I entered here, cool. So I entered here thinking it was a good setup. It really wasn't. It was a pretty dumb setup. I covered the below of this fair value gap. I really would have. It really would have been a better setup if something like this would have happened, where we had this push up, we came down, and then we came up. That would have been a better setup for me. But what happened is boom, 2 minute candle. We end up just coming straight down, and then we just end up losing off. That was a quick trade. So this was a stupid trade just because of the fact of, look at how the 15's looking. We had this huge candle down. We literally took out these highs. We closed below here. We just had a super strong 15-minute candle going into the hourly, going into the new hourly, and it just didn't make sense. This trade was just not a good trade. Just wasn't a good trade at all. And that's the thing about being a trader. You got to acknowledge when a trade is bad. This was a terrible trade. And this is a trade that I can't even tell you why I took it. So that's the biggest thing. I can't even tell you why I took this trade. The whole day I was thinking about it, I'll be honest with you, and I was just like, why did I take this trade? It just didn't make sense. If we look at how the chart looks now, my bias was completely wrong. We ended up just continuing the fall. I was just trying to catch buys just based off of how the previous day looked. Let me see if I can. Honestly, I was just trying to catch buys because of this. Like, we had this candle close back in within the range of this candle, so I was anticipating that probably we're gonna come up and sweep out this candle's high. Um, eh, but we are coming down into a weekly. I thought this weekly fair value gap was gonna hold, but this gap is gonna be the one that broke this high. So we're probably gonna see some movement up from here, maybe, because this candle from last week closed within this candle's range. So maybe now that we're sweeping out this low from 2 weeks ago and we're tapping into this fair value gap, now we should see some movement up towards these highs for the next couple days, next couple weeks, which is that's what I'm gonna anticipate. So I'm still gonna be bullish um, until the market shows me otherwise. Until I'm gonna be looking for sales or whatever the market shows me in the morning is what I'll be looking for. But yeah, that's why we lost today. It was a really stupid trade, honestly, a really dumb trade. I really shouldn't have taken it. I should have understood that. Okay, um, where is it? I should have understood that. Okay, like, look at this candle right here. We had a super strong wick. A super strong candle close. We had an inside candle close. It was just consolidation, and we just got killed. It was just a really bad trade. This was a trade that I just don't know why I took it. So I'm not mad at it. Again, this is all a process. I'm starting to like understand. Like, okay, Marley, there's certain trades that you can take, and there's certain trades that you shouldn't be taking. And this is one of the trades that I shouldn't have taken. Um, Stupid trade. It was a forced trade. So that's completely my fault. Of course, I journaled it. I understand that this was a bad trade. Tomorrow we show up and we just continue executing. Right now, my mindset's in like a mind of like uncertainty. Um, I have like a lot of brain fog right now, but that's not gonna stop me from not showing up. I'm gonna show up and execute the same way. And that's it. This is basically the trade breakdown. It is what it is. We took a losing trade today. What else can we do? Um, the balances on the account. Let's actually go here. So we started the week off at around, I believe, $700 in profit. Now we're down to around 376. I don't really care. I don't care how long this takes. The goal is to just continue showing up and doing the same thing. So yeah, that's basically the trading day for the 15th of July. We got killed. It is what it is. As long as we're just accepting the outcome and walking away and just following the process, detaching from the outcome is all we need to do. I actually took some notes today on something that I wanted to read on here. Where is it at? Where is it at? Where is it at? First thing you gotta understand is we start with action and make small promises to ourselves that you don't break. You need to be able to trust your own word. So me trusting my own word is me showing up, same routine every day, executing a trade every day if there's a trade setup present. I promise myself to go to the gym. On my rest days, of course, I won't go to the gym. Stay active. These are little promises to myself. I'm going to get up when I'm supposed to get up. I'm not going to use my phone for the first 10 minutes of the day. I have no social media. All of that's cut out of my life. And I'm just adapting to becoming a better version of myself. In this whole process, I'm seeing myself become a better person. Not only within the charts, but just outside in life. I'm building discipline. I'm building just better habits in life. So, of course, we're still going to enjoy life. We're still going to hang out with friends. We're still going to enjoy our life. But we're just going to become a way better person. And then the next thing is, the more that you're able to let go and not fear about stuff, the more enjoyable you'll find it. So the thing that is making you better is the thing which in you feel is the thing that in which you feel pain. I feel a lot of pain with trading. Nah, but it's just continuing to show up, and I know that this what I'm doing is going to change my life. It's a part of the journey, and I'm excited for it. Although right now mentally I'm like I don't know where I'm going in life, but this is what's gonna change my life. I've seen what trading can do for me. So this is what's gonna change my life, and I know it is. And yeah, this is gonna be the outro to the video. What shall we play for the outro? I don't know. We'll figure it out though, man. July 15th market breakdown outro. Although it's the 16th now. I'll catch y'all on the flip side, man. The journey continues. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Follow the journey, man. This is only the beginning. Couple months from now, everything's gonna be different. I promise. So let's do it, man. God bless you guys. God is first. All glory to God. Peace.